Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make yourself feel at home. Today, I will be showing you a very quick and easy blazer thrift flip. Well, a way to update your blazer. It's blazer season and all the brands are going to convince you that you need a new blazer, and I'm here to tell you that you do not. You can update one that's already in your closet. So I have this oversized gray blazer and I kind of wanted to update her by adding a bit of cinching at the waist, and here is the after result. And in today's video, there's going to be a sewing method and a no-sew method. So this is what the back looks like. Just a quick little update that will literally take you about 2 minutes and you'll be good to go. So put down your credit card, get off the website, and let's update the blazer you already have. So before you snip anything or cause chaos, I want you to figure out where you want the cinching to be, and we are going to jump right into the no-sew method. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the side seams of your blazer, and along that side seam you're going to take a safety pin and insert it through the side seam. If you don't have safety pins lying around your house, please get a pack. I promise you they fix everything. Broken marriage? Put a safety pin on it. Friends crossing your boundaries? Give them safety pins and they will respect you. So safety pins are my go-to for everything. I should probably see a therapist, but for now I'm going to use safety pins to hold the mental health together as well. There you go, another use. Anyway, once you've safety pinned into the side seams, you're going to do this on both sides, and that's it. You've basically created a makeshift belt loop on each side. So you're going to take a piece of string, either a shoelace, a ribbon, whatever it is that you want to add to your blazer, and you're going to thread that through the safety pins, and that's it. You are done with this super easy no-sew update. So this is what the final result looks like. It just adds a bit of cinch to an otherwise oversized boxy blazer, and I love it. And this is what the back looks like. In case you're worried, the safety pins are going to be shining like superstars. You can barely see them when your hands are down by your side, so don't worry. And you can always tie the drawstring towards the front, just for a different kind of vibe, and I absolutely love it. We love a versatile DIY over here. So that's a no-sew method. In case you have a bit more time and you want to make this a little bit more permanent, I am now going to show you how to do the sewing method to attach tiny belt loops to your blazer. So no sewing machine will be needed today. You just need your needle and thread, and you're going to measure a piece of thread. I would say 60 inches is a good ballpark number. So I measured 60 inches and I cut the thread off, and with that piece of string you are going to fold it in half just to increase the strength of this piece of string. Okay, so this is what we're going to use. It's doubled up. She is insulated and protected. You're going to thread that through your needle, and if you have a needle threader, I love that for you, but I just love making things harder for myself so that I feel more accomplished. So after a while I managed to thread my needle, and I'm going to knot off the end just to make sure this is secure when I'm sewing. No surprises. I don't want people just coming up with things. I want to know where everyone stands, okay? So once that's done, I am going to sew a few knots on the inside to secure the piece of thread to my blazer. I think I did about 3 or 4 stitches just because I'm a bit insecure and I need more reassurance. So once I was secure, I'm going to push it through the side seam. Remember, everything is going through the side seam. The side seam is your life support, okay? So now that we've established you need some new friends, yes, I'm talking to you, Bianca. Side seams cannot be your only friends, okay? Let's fix that. Anyway, I got rid of the safety pin, pushed my needle out onto the right side, and I'm now going to use this thread to create a belt loop. So I'm going to push my needle back in, and I'm going to make sure when I pull in my needle, I maintain this loop. This loop right here, pay attention to her. She's going to get you into a very prestigious university if you do her right, okay? So I'm going to pull my thread on the inside and maintain my loop on the outside. Just make sure you don't pull your thread all the way through because that will be problematic. So I'm going to keep pulling until I have the size of belt loop I would like. However big this belt loop is totally up to you. We have free will. The world is your oyster. Make it as big as you need or as small as you need. Everyone's needs are different, okay? So I am then going to make sure I tie off on the inside once I'm happy with the size of my belt loop. And this is to make sure everything is secure and stays in place. As you know, I'm a bit insecure, so I made several knots just to make sure she was giving me that reassurance that she wouldn't budge. And there you go. You've added a teeny tiny cute belt loop to your blazer. Look at this. I was pulling going on this. She was not budging. She said, I'm no snitch. She's staying. So you're going to repeat this on both sides, and once that's done, you basically have permanent belt loops added to your blazer. So now for the final exciting bit, you're going to take your piece of string or whatever it is you're using to thread your blazer and thread that through your belt loops. And once that's done, you are donezo, ready to rock your new blazer, and you didn't spend a single coin buying a new one. So this is a final result, and I do think it's a tad bit better than using safety pins just because it's more permanent and you're able to really snatch everything and cinch everything in, and the back looks hella cute. So I absolutely love this blazer update, and I am definitely going to be wearing this blazer out and about. So if you see me wear this 1,000 times, mind your business. Clothes are meant to be reworn. Wearing a piece of clothing once or twice and just never wearing it again is absolutely not realistic. So I want you to wear your clothes, run them down to the ground until the clothes have holes in them. So there you go. And the same method for the no-sew. You can wear the belts along the front, and that's me done. I am done with you guys. Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know if you enjoyed this super quick and easy hack. I really enjoyed making it. I've got plenty more I can share to update items already in your closet. So let me know if you want to see more of these videos. But for now, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.